This bright and shiny Cleveland police car is actually the vehicle that was totaled during the downtown celebrations when the Cavaliers won the 2016 championship. But now, as you can see, it's as good as new thanks to the students here at Max Hayes and the Auto Collision Repair Program. After all of their hard work, this car will now be able to hit the road again, and I was here as they officially handed the keys back to the Cleveland Police Department. Check it out.
We greatly appreciate it and are proud to accept it. Thank you all for your hard work.
It feels amazing to be able to just give this car back, to finally show the Cleveland Police that students in a high school can actually fix a damaged car that we thought that was never going to be able to get finished.
They had their doubts at first. In fact, the city said the car was a total loss.
We had wrote this car off. I mean, there was so much damage on it, and it was really at a point where we didn't feel that it was economical to repair. But they took it on, and the students took ownership of it, and I can't say enough about this program. To me, it's just so exciting to see what's going on here.
Students logged more than 800 hours working on the vehicle through the 2016-2017 school year. After that long road of repairs, lots of teamwork, and help from community partners like Sherwin-Williams and Safelite, they made it to the finish line.
It's a really great feeling, especially to see the kids, the culmination of a project that they started a while ago. And when they first started, there was a lot of hesitation. It seemed like it was becoming a long road, but in the end, it was all worth it. It was all worth it. I was proud of all the students.
Those students saved the city about $10,000. Now the police department will install the two-way radios, and then it's back to active duty, looking better than ever.
It looks absolutely brand new. They did a fantastic job. We couldn't have asked for anything better.
And the students and their instructor couldn't have asked for a better experience.
I wanted them to have something they can take away from high school with them, experience like 5 years from now, that they can sit back and think, and just have some good memories about it.
It feels good to know that I actually have ability to be able to go out in the future and fix cars myself. Once I graduate, I'll be able to remember the biggest thing of my school year was fixing that cop car.
The city told me this car will be back in service within about 2 weeks, and who knows, maybe it will make an appearance at another Cavaliers championship celebration. Reporting from Max Hayes, Shannon Kantner, CMSD TV.